Hello and welcome to Mr. R channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at long U sound as in new, cute, and value. And now let's start with the split diagram U. U as in cute. K, U, T, cute. U as in cute. K, U, B, cute. U as in fuel. U, fume. U as in tube. T, U, B, tube. U as in mute. U, T, mute. And now let's look at U sound using U and E. U as in argue. R, G, U, argue. Shall we try one more? U as in value. V, A, U, value. U as in rescue. E, S, K, U, rescue. U as in fuel. U, fuel. U as in Q. K, U, Q. And now let's look at U sound using E and W. U as in new. U, new. U as in few. U, few. U as in pew. U, pew. U as in view. U, view. U as in new. U, new. Can you think of any more? If so, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.